at Cannonball, looking at all these lovely things all around me, and imagining what it would have been like when the family lived here, eating their meals, playing games together, reading books, and children playing with their toys. Toys for every day, like this acrobat. There he goes. And this cup and ball. Ooh, nearly. I'll have to keep practicing. Toys for special times too, like this snow globe. I bet the children loved shaking that and watching it snow. There's a sign. It says, "Shake the snow globe and watch it snow." Shall I give it a go? Go on then. Oh, it's beautiful. It's got a little bird in it. Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing in the library too. Brew. It's cold, so cold. Winter is on its way. Oh, look, there's a little bird, just like in the snow globe. I wonder why he's sat here all alone. Oh, poor thing. He has a broken wing and can't fly. I wonder what he'll do. Perhaps the trees will keep me warm through the winter. If I'm really careful, I think I could hop across to the silver birch. Beautiful birch tree, silver and tall, may I live in your branches till spring comes to call? Oh dear me, what a thing to ask. I couldn't possibly look after you too. I have to take care of my leaves and beautiful silver bark. No, that's quite enough for me. Go away, little bird. Oh, I will. Perhaps I can get to the oak tree. Mighty oak tree, big and strong, can I rest in your branches till spring comes along?
Well, let's see. If you stay in my branches all winter, you'll be eating my acorns. No. Go away, little bird.
Oh yes, I will. I'll go away. Perhaps I could try the willow tree. Wonderful willow tree with leaves swooping down. Can I stay in your branches till spring comes around?
I can't let you live in my branches. It's too upsetting. Go away, little bird.
Oh dear, what shall I do? I need to keep safe and warm until my broken wing is better, and that may take all winter. Little bird, you may live on one of my branches. Here is the warmest one of all. Stay with me until you're feeling strong again. The pine tree stood beside the spruce, and when he saw the little bird hopping and fluttering with his broken wing, he explained that even though his branches weren't very warm, he could help shelter the little bird from the wind because he was so big and strong. So the little bird fluttered up into the warm branch of the spruce, and the pine tree kept the wind off his cosy nest. Then the juniper tree saw what was going on. Hey, what about me? I can help? I'm a juniper tree full of juicy berries that are very good for little birds. I'll keep you fed all winter." With such good friends to help him, the little bird soon felt safe and warm in his cosy nest with juicy juniper berries to eat. Late that day, the north wind came to the woods to play. He puffed at the leaves with his icy breath, and every leaf he touched fell to the ground. He wanted to touch every leaf in the park, for he loved to see the trees bare. As he whirled and swirled around the parkland, he saw the spruce, pine, and juniper tree, and spied the little bird in the nest. "Ooh, why are you standing so tall and huddling together so?" he asked them. The spruce, pine, and juniper tree explained that they were caring for the little bird until his wing was better. The north wind thought that this was such a kind thing to do that he left all the cosy needles on the tree's branches, and has done ever since. So these trees stay evergreen as he whirls and whistles away over the hills to another wood to carry on his wintry work. Soon the days got lighter and brighter. The little bird felt stronger, and when he tried his wing, it seemed much better. He hopped out of the nest onto the branch and stretched. "Ooh! Oh my," gasped the spruce and the pine. "Well, fancy that," said the juniper. The shy little bird looked down at himself. He felt a bit embarrassed, hot and flustered that the trees were all looking at him. But then he saw why, for not only was his wing better, but he now had his grown-up feathers, and as he hopped along the branch, all the trees could see his bright red chest. He was a beautiful robin. No, I think I can hear a robin singing. I hope you enjoyed today's story from Cannon Hall. If you'd like to join in with some of the Winterval activities, watch out for our activity films. Today's is a snow globe. Have fun and watch out for that snow.